Hello everybody, Derek here, and in this video we're going to be going over how to install Bohdi Linux. So I'm using Bohdi in my virtual machine because it's kind of hard to record an installation without doing that. So let's unpause the machine here and get started. So when you first start up, you're going to want to select your version. I'm going to just let it go and we'll get to it. The default is usually fine. So Bohdi is going to load up. It'll take a little bit of time if you have slow hardware or if you have a slow USB controller, but should go and load up. Okay, so Bohdi starts up and it instantly will show you the quick start. I don't think we need that right now. What we need to do is we need to click the install Bohdi Linux icon right there and start it up and open the program up so that we can start the installation. So the installation looks a little similar to what you would be used to if you've ever installed Ubuntu, and I mean, it's a little different, but it's also very similar to Ubuntu. But to get started, just select your language. In my case, it's English. Then I click the continue button and continue on. I'm going to select these boxes because I want to download updates while I'm using Bohdi, and I want to use third-party graphics. You know, if you want to save time after installation, you should always check this. It also means that you don't have to update and deal with all that when you're done. So on the next page, we are going to erase the hard drive. Now, I installed this alongside Linux Mint just so you could see if you're dual booting, just select this option here. 9 times out of 10, this is going to say Windows instead of Linux Mint, but there you go. Alternatively, you could click the erase button to continue. This is the size of the hard drive that we need, so it's going to just use the entire hard drive. If we want to select a different hard drive, like this 10 gigabyte one, we can do that. And then we can click the install now button. From there, we just click continue to accept the changes and go through, accept it, and select where we live. I am here, so I click continue. That's where I live in the state of Michigan, in that area. This will automatically detect your keyboard layout, so you don't really need to worry about that. So just click the continue button. Mine is English US, obviously, but yours may differ. Just enter your name and it'll pick a username for you. You can also, you can also do one on your own. You can set it to log in automatically. You can encrypt your home folder if you'd like, and then just click the continue button. So this is all of the setup that you need to do. From here, Bohdi Linux is just going to install everything for you. It will read you the information that you need to know, and once you're ready to go, you'll see the completed installation box to show up. I'm not going to sit here and wait for this whole thing to go. I'm going to get going, but this is the gist of how to install Bohdi Linux. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please check out this distribution. It's actually a really nice one. It's Enlightenment is actually, I really like Enlightenment actually. I haven't used it in a long time, but it's very lightweight. If you have a slim computer with not a lot of RAM, definitely check it out. Anyways guys, I'm gonna get going, but I will see you in the next video.